Now, the last example has to do with what are the dangers of treating septic shock with an antibiotic agent. Number one question you have to ask. First of all, you have to find out what bacteria caused the septic shock. So what bacteria is responsible? Okay, number one. Now, if this is a bacteria that produces a toxin, we saw in both cases, we saw an endotoxin example and an exotoxin. What happens when you destroy the bacteria with an exotoxin? That bacteria releases all of it, right? With endotoxin, you can have, it can be released after destruction as well. So the point is, you've got to make sure that if you give antibiotic to somebody in septic shock, if it's a bacteria that produces a toxin, you better make sure that you've figured it out enough so that you know that giving that patient an antibiotic will not actually kill them. I mean, that's like really important. So, what an interesting lecture. Thank you so much for visiting Educator.com.